The 2025 Volvo EC40 is a compact, all-electric SUV that was previously sold under the C40 Recharge name. The change was made as part of Volvo's strategy to distinguish its EV, hybrid, and gas-powered offerings more clearly. The EC40 shares its electric powertrain with the Volvo EX40, formerly known as the XC40 Recharge, but it is primarily distinguished by its sloping rear roofline, which adds a bit of trendy flair at the expense of cargo space, rear headroom, and rearward vision. The anticipated maximum range of 297 miles for the single-motor rear-drive models will remain unchanged in 2025 due to minor hardware modifications, while the two-motor variants will continue to sacrifice some range, estimated at 257 miles, in favor of more power. The twin-motor EC40, like its EX40 sibling, now has a new performance software package. The Performance Drive mode, which allows for a 25 kW increase in power output and unique accelerator pedal mapping for faster response, is guaranteed to make the already rapid twin-motor EC40 even faster. Owners of 2024 C40 Recharge models in certain markets will be able to update their vehicles by downloading the performance software. A Black Edition appearance package is also available, similar to the treatment given to the 2024 XC60 Black Edition. It comes with Onyx Black paint, gloss black badging, 20-inch gloss black 5-spoke alloy wheels, and Microtech or textile charcoal interiors. The pricing of the 2025 Volvo EC40 is estimated to range from $55,000 to $62,000, depending on specification and options.